Exactly. What a BMW move that was by.
It was a bit all with us.
Exactly. They were just like, oh, I ain't stopping, but nah. Fucking hell, it has a red light.
Went through a red light. Maybe just because it came up just as we got to the service station. Alright, oh, well, it might be alright if we turn it back on, and when we turned it back on, yeah, it was fine.
Hey, why were you in that one, mate? What the fuck are you doing, mate? Oh my actual god, what is going on behind? Person in the wrong lane.
Red light.
This one.
Yeah, he wants to get in front of you. Look at his position.
Take the fifth. Go straight on.
Oh my god. Go right, and go onto the roundabout with Lakeside Go Karting. Go right, go on a big loop round, and you end up back at the car park. Come on then. Can you move? Because I actually want to go fucking right. You're being a dickhead. But
He is a bit of a dickhead, isn't he, on his phone?
Take the third exit.
I wouldn't normally do that, but that was just ridiculous.
Because that's where the soap
Because I've not been this way before.
No, I haven't either. It's Jade.
Turn right. At the roundabout, turn right.
It wasn't to do that. I know you might
Fine,
think.
I will back out for you to be an idiot, don't you worry. We're looking at the car in the left lane joining there. Cuts across to turn right. All they were doing was queue jumping. Why have you done that? Why do they overtake like that? You could have easily overtaken rather than undertaking their white car. Now you just caused the blue car problems.
So maybe you should undertake it. I don't know, the lane's going off now.
Entering average speed check zone.
Oh no, Kent's big 80 that lane. It's the second lane that I want. to Canterbury, this one. That's where we want to go.
This one.
Oh no! Canterbury is the wrong way, right? We want south and east.
Yeah, we want London.
Half a mile. Use the left lane to exit left.
So this one. No, not that one. Sake. This one. That person is doing his thing. Fuck off, man. So now I see it 24, no? Don't want that. Yeah, so the van was in the wrong lane.
So there's a good response of that car, though. Why not?
Yeah. Well, I was getting the lanes wrong for the exit I wanted. This car comes from lane 4 for the next exit. Unlike me, who thinks ahead, goes into lane 2 because I know I need to get the next exit soon, or at least an exit which is coming up soon. The car behind now, obviously it's an Audi, gets in lane 4 because they obviously need to overtake everyone and then has to rush over. And there's the cyclist that goes through the red line.
Have we been here before?
Oh yeah, of course they use the wrong lane to get ahead. No, I don't think so.
Oh no, it's different. It is different. For the moment, I thought it was the same.
I don't know. Oh, look out for you then, motorbike, seeing as you don't give a two fucks about anyone else
You should have
around.
just kept going.
Now, you're not allowed to overtake on the crossing or the zigzag bits coming up to a crossing, right? But are you allowed to filter? Let me know. Now, why do some people do this? When there's a road which is kind of a bit wider, it doesn't mean it's 2 lanes. This is still 1 lane. So why do they just make it difficult by going alongside someone?
Maybe the van was like, I only want to go on this next one. Pretty hard with a lorry though, unless it's going straight over.
Go,
I wish that
go,
lorry
go,
is.
go. Oh, it's yellow bottom, so isn't it?
Yeah. And now,
Oh, right.
well, you shouldn't have gone.
Yeah. He was in the wrong lane.
Estimated time in traffic, 13 minutes.
What the
This is the
fuck?
problem.
Okay.
Keep clear. wave my hand, darling. Fuck off, I thought we had to go.
Yeah. All right away, bitch.